Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Friday. We've got a couple mail calls today. I got some, actually I just tossed it out of arm's reach, but I'll show you in a bit what I'm going to be burning today. It's Friday, so let's get some mail going. And we're doing I mentioned this in yesterday's video, but we're doing well, not we, but Ron G. Sawyer started a GoFundMe for Redneck Renegade whose home flooded. The video will be linked in the description, plus the link to the GoFundMe. If you can give a help out, awesome. Appreciate it. Also, a belated happy birthday to Donna at Dream Creations and Adventures. It was her recent birthday recently, so happy birthday, sister. And we'll get to the mail call and then this week's shout out. Alright, so I got two packages here. I got one from Cat in the North and D. Thomas. I don't know if it'll show up, but this little box, $9.45. Man, what is going on with the post office? They're just getting ridiculous. I have really no idea what this is. Oh, there's a letter. Oh, cool. A couple of build bars. She did a video on these, which I'll link down below along with her channel. She asked me which flavors I would be interested in. So we got mint and what's this one? Oh, raspberry. Two flavors I actually really like. I'll be very interested in trying those out. I got a card too, which I'll open off. Well, here's the card, and basically it says, we thought you'd like to try a couple of build bars on us. I very much appreciate that. Thank you both very much. That's a cute card. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm actually quite interested in these bars. I've never had them before, and I've actually got them on my Amazon wish list, which I will, if these are good, I'll have to get some. I always like having snacks for the trail, either camping or just at work. So I'll get, this is from Dominic Minischetti. This is actually something I purchased from him because I saw his recent video. And I was like, ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. This is a waxed canvas bag. With a nice flat bottom. Very cool. That is awesome, brother. That is very awesome. Nice pull string. Bag's a little rigid. I'll probably have to work it a little bit, but that is really cool. If you're interested in one of these, check out his channel because he actually just did a recent giveaway and gave one away. So if you aren't watching Dominic Minischetti, you missed out on potentially winning a free awesome wax canvas bag. There it is again. Alright, let's draw this week's shout out and we'll get outside and we'll get Alrighty. I forgot to mention as well, I guess Aerobin Outdoors, I guess he's not doing well either right now. I heard hospital, but I haven't heard details. So let's hope he's doing well. I haven't seen a video from him in a few weeks. So let's hope he's well as also. So anyway, today's burn is going to be Insta Fire. I've never used Insta Fire before, so I'll be an Insta Fire virgin. Let's get this sucker lit up. Alright. Is there a convenient care pouch? I don't see one. So we will make one. Alright. I don't need a lot of this. I'm not really making a fire, so let's make a little pile. And I got the BPS 3 and the Dominator Nathan 4071 ferro rod with the Dominic Minischetti handle, which is pretty much my go-to go-to ferro rod for Fire Up Fridays. Let's see if we can get a one and done. And we did. The first scrape didn't have anything, so I don't think I'm gonna count that. Unless you can say, hey Mark, you should count that, then okay, 2 and done. Yeah, went right up. It's pretty easy to use, man. 1,000 degrees, lights wet wood. Oh, that'd be kind of fun to try. Burns on snow, water, and ice. Non-volatile. No unexpected flare-ups. Waterproof pouch. Burn time is 10 to 15 minutes. No harmful chemicals. Safe to store near food. Wow. Sweet. I've actually got a bunch of this I bought at the store. I just never got around to it. So. Burns pretty nice, I'll tell you that. Oh, alright, pretty good stuff. I didn't let it burn on camera the whole time because, you know, just didn't. Anyway, I've been watching Cowboy Ken Rollins a little bit lately, and you know, see, he does something at the end of his videos where he tips his hat to our fine servicemen and women, and I love that. But also, let's not forget 22 a day. 22 of our veterans, you know, commit suicide daily. That's just way too many. It should be 0. So let's not leave them out in the cold. Let's try to remember them. I'll probably put some phone numbers and stuff in the description if you want to maybe try to reach out and help. So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Redneck Renegades donation GoFundMe if you can help, which I'm gonna go do as I edit this. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.